We're here at the Caffrey's garage. We're working on the old 84 S10, little LS swap S10, and figuring out some of this interior stuff. So we got a center console out of a 80s Grand National. My buddy Wayne came and gave it to me, and I have to work my ass off for it, but such a nice gesture, you know. I can't believe how this fits in here. Check this out. It's almost like it's supposed to be here. Gotta do a little bit of trimming, but it's not a big deal. This is gonna fit right there. And the coolest part is my shifter is gonna fit right in there. I don't have the top plate on right now. I have to do a little modification for the reverse lockout switch. But other than that, this fits right in the slot, and it's gonna be freaking perfect. Another thing I was thinking about doing today is tying up the fuel, little tedious stuff like that. I have the fuel ran through the frame rail now, and it's gonna work perfectly. It comes out and shoots up right in the front of the block here. Probably see under here. Right here. It comes right out of there, and it's going straight up by my power steering pump. I'm gonna run this way, and I got a 180 I'm just gonna throw on there. That way I can run the fuel all the way through, out the back, and put my regulator up here, which is gonna be awesome. It should work this way, and then I'm gonna run -6 back to the fuel cell, and we're gonna have a quote-unquote return system. So there she goes. Check this out. I spy a little bumpkin sleeping on the edge. Too much fun in Caffrey's garage. She had to take a nap. Got some awesome things in store for her when she wakes up. We actually got her Camaro out today, and I'm going to teach her how to drive for the first time. So stay tuned. We're going to freaking rock out. Are you ready to rock? Go! What do you think, baby? Steer, drive. Is the battery dying? Well, I didn't get much done yesterday. Lenora was sick, so we went home. So I'm back here in the garage, and I'm looking here, and I'm like, I might have to notch this out a little bit right here for my reverse lockout switch. And as you can see, this panel's a little just old and decrepit. So I might be peeling this up, cleaning it up right in here, and maybe wrapping it. That fake carbon fiber wrap. Okay, so we're just got done drilling the holes for the shifter right through here. As you can see, I pulled a bunch of that crap out. Sucker's gonna line up just like this. And I cut out a little area here for the cable to run through, and then I'm gonna loop around. But yep, that's pretty much where that's going. And I'm gonna drop some bolts through and see where we're at. So we are at the point where it is bolted in, and I'm hollowing out the hole here for the cable. So the cable connects right here to this. Got a little E-clip and everything, but yep, cable's gonna run right through and hook to that. Everything else underneath is looking pretty good. So okay, you can see where the mounting points are, and I'm going to swing the cable around and bring it right through the hole there. It's going to be out of the way of everything. One thing I'm going to have to do is wrap it. I'm going to wrap the header. It's really close here, so I'm going to have to heat shield this somehow. But there she is. I'm going to swing her through and get her hooked up on the top side. So far it's shifting good. We won't really know how good it's shifting until it's all hooked up, but boom, boom, boom. Easy. So yeah, we're in the process. We'll get that cable run through there and we'll be back. Okay. So it is hooked up and is in. Okay, now, part 2. Clean this thing up. I gotta cut a little bit out right here for the reverse lockout tab. Other than that, it fits in there pretty good. It's gonna work. Okay, so in crude Caffrey fashion, I cut it out. And it's pretty much gonna work. Sits in there like that. It's gonna look good. So now we're gonna wash and scrub the actual console down. Okay, so now we're doing some modification to the beauty plate. What I'm doing here, I notch this out with a file and down here so I can shift back far enough. This here for the reverse lockout, I gotta come up just a tad. So I'm trying to find a little file for that so it looks clean. And I might wrap this, I don't know, we'll see. The only time you'll ever see it lift wheel. Okay, so we got her in there. It's time to install the handle. So yeah, super satisfied with how this turned out. Looks beautiful. Next thing I gotta do is really bolt down the console. I just mocked it in there. I mean, it's gonna shift perfectly. Looks better than the thing it came with, the little... Don't get no better than that, I guess. Thanks, Wayne. Thanks again for the center console. This thing is badass. As you can see, I filed things down and made it look as good as it's gonna get. Badass. Alright, thanks for watching Caffrey's Garage. We'll see you next time with some more crazy shit.